Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your iPhone passcode with Apple ID password. So how we can fix it. So let's start the video. So friends, you can see here right corner on the bottom forgot passcode. So tap on forgot passcode. So friends, I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates and more videos to get information and fix our mobile problems. So let's start. iPhone reset. This iPhone is in security lockout. You can try your passcode again in 13 minutes or you can erase and reset this iPhone now. So friends, you can see here start iPhone reset option. So tap on start iPhone reset. So friends, you can see sign out of Apple ID. This Apple ID password for ID name is required to erase this iPhone. So friends, tap your Apple ID password. So when you tap your Apple ID password, so tap on done. Wait for seconds. So friends, are you sure you want to erase all media content and settings? This cannot be undone and erase iPhone. So tap on erase iPhone. Wait few seconds. So friends, our iPhone is in restore mode and in process. Wait few seconds. So our iPhone is restored and turn on again. So friends, you can see here our iPhone is restored and turn on again. So swipe up and select language and select your country. So friends, if you want to appearance, choose how you would like text and icons to look on iPhone. So if you want to medium and large, you can select. Suppose that medium, you can see our graphics has been changed. So if you want to large, so you can see large graphics. So I want to default. So tap on continue. So quick start looking for nearby devices. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad does not show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. So set up without another device. Written and spoken languages. Select language that spoken and texting. The following languages are commonly used in your region. You can set up your iPhone to use these settings or customize them individually. So, preference languages is English and keyboards English and plus Urdu. So, if you want to change the languages, so tab on customize setting, otherwise tab on continue. Choose a Wi-Fi network and connect with your Wi-Fi. So friends, I'm connect with my Wi-Fi, so tab on continue. So friends, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so wait few minutes. So friends, tab on continue. So set up iPhone. You can set up this iPhone for yourself or for a child in your family. Child account can be created by a parent or legal guardian for children aged 12 years and younger. So set up for myself. So you want to use Face ID, then continue, otherwise I'm tab on setup later. So create an iPhone passcode. Suppose that I created 0. This passcode can be easily guessed, used anyway. Re-enter your iPhone passcode. Wait few seconds. Transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like photos, notes and reminder into your new device. So friends, if you want to restore your backup data, so you have Apple ID and password. So tab on from iCloud backup. So enter your email and password. So tab your ID. iCloud dot, tab on continue. Now tab your password. When you tab password, then tab on continue. Wait few seconds. So friends, two-factor authentications. A message with verification code has been sent to your linked mobile number. So please enter the code to continue. So you have received a message from Apple ID. So enter your code. So wait few seconds. So you can see here our iPhone is restored and signed in again Apple ID, and you can easily use now this iPhone. Wait few seconds. So terms and conditions, so tap on agree. Enter all passwords. Home and other data are protected by the passcode previously used to unlock this iPhone. This passcode protects your Apple ID, saved passwords, and other data stored in iCloud. Your passcode is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. So tap any old passcode and wait few seconds. So choose an iCloud backup. You can use our recent backup to transfer your apps and information to your new device. So tap on yesterday. So make this your iPhone. Tap on continue. So friends, restore completed. Apps and data will continue downloading in the background. Tap on continue and setup later. Wait few seconds. Improve Siri and dictations. Share audio recordings and note now. So tap on note now. Welcome to iPhone. So swipe up. So friends, you can see here our iPhone is turned on and restoring apps and data. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. Very easy and without any computer, without any data losing. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.